So let's pretend you're putting on an event and you're super excited. You can't wait. So there's two ways to approach making an offer at the event. It really depends on your style. It depends on your outcome you're looking for. There's a lot of factors that go into which style is right for you. But starting with this in mind will help make your event better. So one style is one offer. Everything leads up, and this is my preferred style. My preferred style is the entire event creates a story, tells a story about how to solve a problem. And then at the end of the story, there's an offer that says, hey, if you've been struggling with this problem, if you found this content and these resources useful, you might find this coaching program or this other thing useful as well. So if you want, here's the offer. And it makes an offer to give you more help. It's your choice, but it is an offer. It is a pitch. And that's great. Every event, in my opinion, every event should have an offer because your attendees, the people coming to your event, want more help. They want more help. So it's up to you to give them it, to tell them exactly how to get it. So that's the way I like to do it. The other way to do it is you can have each one of your presenters share their offer. So let's say you have someone come up and talk about the importance of selling, the importance of sales training. So like if I had my dad come as a presenter and share about his business, Sandler Training, at the end, he could make an offer, hey, come to this boot camp, come do this thing. And then the way those work, by the way, typically the presenter gives 50% of whatever they close to the host putting on the event. So typically, if someone closes $1,000, $500 goes to the person putting on the event. And then the next person, maybe let's pretend it's Russell Brunson, gets up and talks about marketing and ClickFunnels and how to use ClickFunnels to change your business. And then he makes an offer. And then the next person who's an accountant and talks about the importance of having a clean and collected accounting software. They get up, they go through their presentation, share value, and then make an offer. So both ways, there's no right or wrong way to do it, but each person generally has a favorite, a way they'd rather do it. The reason I would rather have one pitch, one offer, where everything in the event is leading up to, hey, this is what's going to happen next, this is how you can get more help, is because everything is congruent. When you have a lot of different offers, you provide a lot of value and people can get resources that they need. But the benefit to having one big offer and including everything is they aren't being taught or talked about things that aren't included in the program. So when they say yes, they're saying yes to every single speaker. They're saying yes to the entire experience. They're saying, yes, this is a good fit for me. So I want you to think about that as you're putting on your event, as you're planning it out. Think about what is the offer? What action am I trying to get my attendees to do? Right? Because it's important. So make sure as you're putting on your events, I should caveat, I did a Facebook Live yesterday about the importance of knowing, are you doing a fulfillment event or a sales event? In your sales event, have an offer. If you're doing a fulfillment event, like I said yesterday, you don't want to pitch them. You don't want to make a whole new offer for another coaching program or something like that. So make sure as you're planning out your event, make sure you've got that offer. You've got that strategy of, do I want each presenter to present and then close? Or do I want one close? And tell your presenters. There's nothing worse than inviting someone to present, having them show up, having them give their presentation, and then being a pitch at the end that you aren't expecting. Or expecting them to pitch and they get up and say, well, that's it, guys. If you need anything, give me a call. Doesn't help anybody. So you got to be crystal clear on what you want, and you've got to help your attendees figure it out. You've got to help them on their journey. You've got to help them understand why they'd want to say yes. So that's one of the benefits of having one offer is everything can be designed to help your attendees say, you know what? I want that. That is a good program. That's what I want. I want that help. So I just wanted to jump on, share that with you guys. If you are thinking about doing a live event or working on planning one currently, we have we're calling it the Live Events Launchpad. It's a virtual event coming up in May. And this event is all about how do you make sure you put on a profitable and life-changing event. Those are the two things every event should have in common: profitability and life-changing. Because if it's not profitable, don't do an event. Don't do it just because you think you should. Trust me, they're a lot of work. If you can't engineer it to be profitable, don't do it. Okay? I hope you have a fantastic day. Join us at the Live Events Launchpad. epicevents.live is the URL. I'll post the link on this post as well. So epicevents.live, and we will talk to you soon. Have a great day, guys.